Hey, and how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own LoFi YouTube channel that can be monetized using AI. Not only that, but I will also show you how you can combine it with other money-making methods. So let's go. You may be familiar with this channel right here. It is called LoFi Girl, and it is getting billions of views. When we look at their social blade, we can see that they are making around $5,000 a day. And while this is just an estimate, I can tell you that they are making a lot of money. And all they do is post simple lo-fi beats with a background image. And they are not the only lo-fi channel that is being this successful. There are plenty, like this chill hop music channel, for example, which is also extremely successful. So, okay, we also want to do that and make money from it. What do we need? Well, we need a YouTube channel and we need the content. But what do we exactly need to get monetized on YouTube? We need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time and upload original content. While this seems all a bit too much, I'm going to give you tips on how you can grow your YouTube channel faster and how you can get the required 4,000 hours of watch time in turbo mode. And of course, I will show you how you can make the original content. And next to YouTube monetization, I will show you how you can use your LoFi channel to make money using different methods. Because next to YouTube monetization, you can also combine your earning methods with affiliate marketing, community posts, sponsorships, brand deals. So to begin, let's get started by creating the content. First, we will generate the background image. I will show you two ways, one that involves a paid AI tool and one that is totally free. So let's start with method one, by using a paid AI tool. The tool is called Midjourney. Unfortunately, it's no longer free. The basic plan is priced at $10 per month, or you can opt for an annual subscription at $8 per month. Moreover, it includes a commercial license, which is crucial if we want to get monetized on YouTube. Believe me, Midjourney is an incredible tool. Before we open Midjourney, we are going to take a screenshot of one of the LoFi channel's video. We are going to use that image as a reference. Just press the Windows key and then print screen. And now the image will be saved to your screenshots folder. Now let's open Discord and create our private Midjourney server so we have a better workflow. Simply click on the plus icon to initiate server creation. Follow what I do and give it an appropriate name. Now, we'll need to head over to the official Midjourney server. Ensure the member list is visible and locate the Midjourney bot. Click on the bot and then select Add to Server. Follow what I do and make sure you add it to your newly created Discord server. Once you've completed this, return to the newly created server and you'll find the newly added Midjourney bot in the right corner. We're now all set. However, we won't be manually inputting prompts to generate images. No, we're going to let Midjourney handle that for us, and I'll demonstrate how. Simply type /describe and hit the spacebar. A box will appear. Now, do you remember the image we screenshotted earlier? Well, now we'll drag that image into the box and then press enter. Now, the Midjourney bot will start processing. It's scanning the image to determine the most suitable prompt. Take a look. It has provided us with 4 perfect prompts for describing the image. Let's generate all of these by clicking on Imagine All. It might take a few seconds, but don't worry, I'll speed it up for you. There you have it. They look amazing. Let's upscale one image we like the most. Now click on the image and click Open in Browser. And now you can save it while pressing right-click and then save it to your computer. Now let me introduce you to the second method, which involves a free-to-use AI image generator. I've dedicated an entire video to showcasing the best free-to-use AI image generators, and one of these gems is called Leonardo AI. What sets Leonardo AI apart is that it gives us a commercial license for each generated image, allowing us to monetize it. Let's go to the Leonardo AI website. You can either create an account or simply log in, just as I'm doing. Once inside, we'll need to select an image model that suits our needs. This one should work perfectly. It is the Anime Pastel Dream model. Now, let's adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9. This way we get a horizontal image. In the text box, we must enter a prompt that will generate a similar image to the one we screenshotted and that we want to use as a reference. Now, here's where I'll take a shortcut. I'm going to copy and paste the prompt that Midjourney provided into the Leonardo AI prompt box. However, if you can't do that, you'll have to come up with the prompt yourself and experiment a bit. With the prompt in place, all that's left to do is click the Generate button. Take a look, there they are. I think this one would be best. Now you can just download the one you like the most, and let's go to the next step. Now it is time we create the beat. And yes, we are also going to use AI to do that for us. It's really simple. I will show you 2 different AI tools that can complete the job, so you can decide which one you like the most. The first one is called Muba, so let's go to the website and click Generate a Track Now. We can now either type a prompt, select a genre, select a mood, or select an activity. In our case, let's select a genre and select Lo-Fi. Now for the duration, let's make it longer than 45 seconds and make it 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Now all we have to do is click Generate Track, and now the track is being generated. In the meantime, let's check out their pricing options. They have 4 plans: the free plan, the creator plan, which costs $14 a month, the pro plan, which costs $39 a month, and the business plan, which costs $199 a month. The creator plan doesn't look bad, because you can generate up to 500 tracks a month, and you don't need to add any attribution. But let's say you really do not want to pay, then you could start for free, and then make money from affiliate links, and while your channel is growing and you are making money, you can then start thinking of purchasing a plan. That's enough money talk. Let's check out if our AI Lo-Fi beat is ready. There it is. Let's listen to it. Okay, wow, that sounds amazing. Let's click on the download button to download it. Okay, now we'll have to create an account. Let's do that real quick. I'm going to connect my Google account. Here it reminds us again that purchasing a plan will make it possible for us to monetize the AI beat. Now let's go to our track we've just generated and click on download again. Here this is important. Make sure you put in your YouTube channel link here so they can clear the copyright claims for our content. And by the way, let's say we want to generate another track. We can do it easily by clicking on Generate Similar. And boom, here is our second beat. Easy like that. Now I will show you the second AI beat generator tool. This one is called Iva. Let's check out their pricing. Okay, so they have 3 plans here. The free plan includes only 3 downloads with tracks that are maximal 3 minutes long, and it is without copyright, plus you have to give credits. The second plan is the standard plan. Still, the copyright owners will be Iva and not you. You get only 15 downloads, and you get limited monetization. And to be honest, I've got no idea what that means. But okay, then the third plan, which is the pro plan, looks the most appealing, because you get full copyright ownership, monetization, and 300 downloads per month. But to be honest, when you compare it to Mubert, I definitely get one of their plans. By the way, all the links are in the description, so be sure to check it out. Now that we've got all the content, like the background image and the lo-fi beat, it is time we put them together and make a beautiful video out of it. To do this, you can use any video editing software, but we are going to use CapCut. It is a very easy tool to use, and it is free. So if you haven't already, go to their website and download it. Now let's open CapCut and click on New Project. Now all we have to do is drag and drop the background image and lo-fi beat in the timeline. Now just drag the image all the way to the end of the audio clip. And that's it. But wait, now I'm going to show you a hack to get instantly more watch hours, which is essential, because you want to reach that 4,000 watch hours as soon as possible, right? So what we're going to do is simple. Copy the audio file and paste it directly after the audio file. Just do that by Ctrl-C and then Ctrl-V. Do this process until you reach 1 hour of video length. You could even make longer versions, that's all up to you. But don't forget to also drag the image all the way to the end of the audio file. When you're done, just click on Menu, and then click File, and then Export. Choose where you want to save your file. Give your file a name, and then click Export. Look at that! Our video is ready to be uploaded to YouTube. Now, in the beginning of your YouTube LoFi journey, you won't get monetized right away. But there is another way you can start earning money right away. Well, that is by using affiliate links that you can put in your video description. I will show you a few websites where you can get some great affiliate link deals. The first one is ClickBank. Just sign in there and you will find millions and millions of offers to choose from. Another website you can use is Digistory24. Just sign up there, and it is the same as ClickBank. And last but not least, you could also check out Warrior Plus, where you just have to sign up for free and choose an offer you like the most. Next to that, we can also combine it with community posts, sponsorships, and brand deals. As your channel grows, it's quite likely that businesses will start reaching out to you, seeking promotional collaborations. Now that we have all the content and affiliate links, it is time we create our YouTube channel. It is very easy, just click on Create New Account and fill out all the details. More important though, is the way your channel looks, your channel identity. Because having a consistent theme and identity across your channel will help you to see an increase in your subscribers quickly. We're going to use Canva for that. It is free to use and also has a 30-day free pro trial. So go to the search bar and search for YouTube logo. Now click on Create Blank. Next, we just have to drop our image we generated earlier here. Resize it a bit. And now click on Text and add a fitting font. Now we will have to enter our channel name. So let's go to ChatGPT to ask it for a LoFi name. Okay, never mind. ChatGPT seems to have some issues right now. But no worries. Let's open our Edge browser and click on that blue B. Now here is Bing Chat. It is similar to ChatGPT 4 and it is free to use. So let's ask for a LoFi channel name. Okay, nice. I like this one, LoFi Vibes. Let's copy it and paste it in our Canva project. Okay, amazing. Now it looks good. To save it all, we need to do is go to Share and then click Download twice. Next, we're going to create the channel banner. So let's go to Home and then search for YouTube channel banner. Now click on Blank again. And now we are going to drag in the same image as before. Now we can also easily copy and paste the font we used in our other project in this new project. Look at that! Now when we go to Elements, we can also search for a fitting graphic. Like this musical notes sticker right here. That looks amazing. Let's also save it to our computer. Now that we've created our channel identity, we need to create a thumbnail for our video. It is also important to have a consistent thumbnail style here. So again, we will go to Canva for that. Search for YouTube thumbnail and choose blank. Next, we are going to upload the same image as before. We will also copy and paste the font we used before. Now let's place that in the corner as our logo. By clicking on the font, we can easily duplicate it. Let's put it in the middle and change the text to Relax Study. That looks great. Let's save it to our computer. Now you just have to upload your video and that will be the start of your LoFi Beats channel. And that's it. The beauty of this is that you literally need zero upfront skills. It is super easy to do. So what do we need to do? 1. Generate the background image. 2. Generate the LoFi music. 3. Create your video in CapCut. 4. Gather affiliate links. 5. Create YouTube account. 6. Create the logo and channel banner. 7. Upload the video. 8. Subscribe to AI Revenue Pro. 9. Rinse and repeat. And remember that consistency is key and that nothing comes from nothing. So keep creating and, more importantly, enjoy what you are doing, because then things will go way smoother. Have a lot of fun and make trillions of dollars. See you in the next video. Bye.